Hey YouTube, it's Andrew the Bearded Giant, and today I'm going to make some straps to conveniently hold these extension cords. I have some 1-inch Velcro here I'm going to use, and a couple of these, and I think I can make a pretty convenient strap to strap these and then hang up the extension cord on a nail or a screw. Let's do this. So I think I want them to be roughly 12 inches long total. So I want to be at least 7. I'll go 8, give myself a little extra to play with. Pretty simple. Hang that right there. And that. Hang that right there. Look at that. Real simple. Just a couple minutes on the sewing machine. Just used Velcro, 1-inch Velcro. Sewed a little triangle piece in between. So there you have it. Pretty easy project. I'll put some links below, some Amazon links that are affiliate. They'll help me out. I'll earn a couple pennies if you buy something. I'll put a link to the 1-inch webbing that I used, and I'll try to find these plastic pieces. Pretty easy project. Just a couple minutes on the sewing machine, and that was it. Peace out, and go make something today.